My background is in textile design, and I initially trained as a weaver. The technique of weaving demanded a very formulaic and mathematical methodology, and it's this ordered rhythmical approach that is evident in certainly my current collection of work. I'm now in the fortunate position of being able to focus on my own work again, and this is a real luxury at the moment. The vintage haberdashery items and inherited textiles and textile ephemera that I've accumulated over the years and that's come down through the family is really a main inspiration for me with the textile creations that I'm producing currently. I'm really passionate about the geometric, repetitive nature of woven structures, and it's these structures translated through fabric and stitch manipulation that is a means of expression for me in the creation of what are really quite simple yet complex textile structures. It is very rewarding. However, if you're weaving a very fine fabric, and in my case I used to weave what were called double cloth fabrics, so it took twice as long to create a structure, you had to be extremely patient in that process, but extremely satisfying at the same time. The colour that I use now is absolutely down to a minimum, but through whites and creams and neutrals you can still see the full spectrum of colour. The production of original one-off pieces now is the way in which I see the work progressing, whereas before I used to sell designs for commercial end uses, so you would see them in the shops applied to different products. Now I see the work being pieces really in its own right, and that for me is extremely satisfying.